Hey, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Woodshed 3. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate everybody tuning in again. Uh, we're inside the Woodshed 3 in the garage, and we're going to be doing a template and starting to fabricate the hinge pocket for the 59 Ford panel van driver's side door. I made one for the passenger side, but unfortunately I threw the pattern out or I lost it. So this is all I got to work with right here. So we're going to be making this piece that goes, this is part of the A-pillar that I have. So we're making this piece here. We're going to measure all this out, and I'm going to take some extra measurements of the one I made that's already installed, and we're going to go off of all that to make the pattern to cut out in a piece of 16 gauge steel and bend up to make this very important pocket for the door. It goes inside of the A-pillar. The A-pillar sits like that, and it goes inside here like that. So I'm going to take you along. We're going to try to get this done. It might take a couple of nights because with me and measuring and everything like that, making a template usually takes me a little while. But anyways, I'm going to take you along and show you how to make a pocket. No, that's not it. I'm going to show you how to make a door hinge pocket for a 59 Ford panel van. All right. Okay, so the tools, what we're going to need today is we're going to need the piece that we're going to fabricate, tape measure, piece of cardboard, square, and a pencil. That's it. So here's the template that we made up the other day. So we flatten that out onto a nice piece of 16 gauge steel. And we get our pencil. And we're gonna start out by getting that right on the edge. Throw a magnet down here. too good, but magnets get all covered in shavings in the garage. So basically we're just tracing out this pattern. Not too hard, nothing, no science in this, but tracing it out onto this piece of 16 gauge steel. And that way we can transfer it. So we're transferring it basically to the steel. Sure, you people out there have done this. Alright. It doesn't take that long. Doesn't take that long at all. He's back up here. And remember, don't throw your pattern out. Or your template. Don't throw the template out, because if you throw the template out, then you got to make another one, just like I had to do with this one. I had to make another one because I threw the other one out. So, this will get saved. Hopefully. Put that over there. Alright, so there we go. We got it onto the steel. And now basically we have to cut that out. Alright, I'm back from giving the dogs their pills. They're all pilled and set up. That's going to be difficult. Hold it. That's going to have to be hammered and dollied a little bit on that edge. And that's where my anvil comes into play. I can bend these now. Let's do this and it'll get that out of the way. difficult. I think I should have done it farther away as far as that one bent very nicely because there was a gap in between those, and there's not much of a gap in between this one. Get this thing a little more square here. So looks like Lisa's home. She had to go to a funeral in New Hampshire. There you go. So that is replacing this. What's up? All right, everybody. So my cameras are dying all over the place. My phone died. My sports camera just died, but I have extra batteries for the sports camera, so we're good. So you watch me fabricate the hinge pocket that goes into the A-pillar for the hinge, door hinge, on the driver's side of the 59 Ford panel van. So it's a little crude. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to give the support to that hinge, so that hinge will not waver when it's up, open, and closed. So we got that one done. We're going to eventually drill holes here, weld some nuts on it here on the outsides, and then eventually once we mount the door, we'll drill a hole in here once it's all lined up and we'll bolt it to the back plate. So that's what we did tonight. I thank you for tuning in. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Please share and like the video, subscribe, and we're going to keep this going, and I thank you very much. I appreciate everyone that's out there giving me a chance and watching my videos. Thank you very much, and until next time, peace out and keep on tinkering.